Today I'm working in 2011 BMW. The BMWs, they're no but whistle noise in the crankcase ventilation, and I'm gonna show you how to replace the ventilation crankcase ventilation valves. I believe this is the name. I'm working by myself. I don't have no tripod. I want to try my best, but we had to remove the air filter and only have 6 bolts, 8 millimeters. Oh yes, let's pull it out. Where to pull it out? And the next step, we have to the battery cables. We just need to snap it. Step it kind of hard. Put it to the side. And now we have to remove those bolts. I don't have the right tool for this, the right socket, but I'm gonna try my best. I want to use 11 or 12 millimeters. Might work well. And we have to take the plastic cover off too, so we can have access at the bolt and that side too. Now our second step is to remove these covers. They have 2 clips, one over here and one that side. We have to remove it. This is the access for the master cylinder. We have to take all the cowl or the plastic, the whole thing, to we have access to the valve cover. Now we have to remove this one too. Have 2 taps. Let's put it to the side. To the side. And this one have a bolt 8 millimeters. Wait to remove. We have to take those plastic covers off, so we can remove the wire harness, so we have access to manipulate the whole plastic thing. And now this one have a sensor. Let's pull it to the side, wiggle it, and take it off. Just pull the whole thing off. Put it to the side. Now we have to remove the whole plastic thing off the car. because we have to work in the valve cover. Now we have to take this plastic off. We have to twist it, take it off, so we can have access to our bolt. Take it loose. Now we have to take this bolt off. That one goes inside in here. Take our giant bolt. Now we have to take this bolt too and pull it out. We have to remove those. I believe so. It's 4 bolts. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're hex. Let's put it to the side. Access to remove this. I want you guys to see all this crap that this car look. Oil. Anyways, the ventilation valve system, the one I want to replace, is gonna be this one. This is the valve I want to be working on. Is the cause of the noise of the crankcase ventilation valve cover, the whistle noise. All the BMWs, they have issues for that kind of stuff, and I want to show you how to replace it. This is the one we're be replacing. This is the crankcase ventilation valve. Is why all the BMWs have issues with the whistling noise and the oil valve cover. Is the one we installed. This is the new one. BMWs, they don't sell this part only. I'll buy this in line. BMW recommends to replace the whole valve cover. It's one piece, but this one we're not gonna afford it. This one we have to cut it and glue it, and should be working. Should be fine. Now we just have to take the old valve come with the spring. We're gonna reuse the spring. And looked like that was torn. Not for sure, but look, all the nasty oil. Let me fuck you guys in here. You see all nasty stuff due from oil change service. We start to take out this plastic and put our new one and seal it. Now I cleaned the crankcase ventilation valve. I removed the old one, and I cleaned the area. And this is gonna be part 2 video, how to get installed. And thank you for watching my videos, guys. Catch you next time.